Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to talk to you about some cooling seat covers that I got for my Tesla Model Y. Something that'll really help beat the heat in those hot states in the summer months. I'm really excited to share this product with you guys. Let's get into it. Jumping straight into the unboxing, I got these seat covers from Tessery. I have a few of their accessories now. I really like what they're doing for Tesla accessories, so check them out. I'll have a link down in the description to them. But they're really just kind of awesome, really nice textured seat covers with kind of a cooling insert on the back. I'll show you guys that in a second. But where these go, you get 2 pieces per kit, one for each of your front passenger and front driver's seat. This is the one for the bottom of the seat where you kind of, your bottom rests. And then you get a nice one for the upright part of the seat back, which kind of clips down into some areas there. I'll show you how it all attaches and up here around your headrest. So it's a really nice kind of quilted material on the top, almost kind of like like a cooling kind of neoprene, I guess is what you'd call it, almost like wetsuit material. It's really nice. It's got a great texture, and I think it'll be super comfortable to sit on. So I really kind of like how it's all set up so far. On the back, if you kind of flip it over, you can see what makes this kind of that cooling seat cover, allows for all this ventilation to pass through with these little soft gel kind of inserts that raise the seat off that vegan leather of the Tesla seats, allows for airflow and allows for some of that cooling material to really keep your seats at a nice, comfortable temperature. So I think they're pretty cool. It's going to be a really easy product to install and review today. So let's head over to the car. I'll show you how to actually install it, and we'll give it a test and see how comfortable it is, and run it through some other tests while we're there. So over in the Tesla, installing these seat covers is actually super easy as well. You'll see the longer side is going to be the side for the back of the seat here. You have this nice part at the top with some stretchy material and also a nice clip if you want to take it on and off that way. This is going to go around your Tesla headrest, so super simple to put in there. And these 2 little clips at the bottom are just going to tuck in the area between the bottom of your seat and the seat back and just kind of cinch down in there so it gives a little bit of protection, it doesn't slide around on you. So let's throw this in real quick. I'm just going to put it around my Tesla headrest, just kind of like that. It cinches in real nice. And down here at the bottom, I'm going to find that little gap between my bottom seat and the top seat. Just kind of stick in those little kind of, I guess, retaining clips, if you want to call them that, and get them kind of down in there. And there you go. That kind of attaches nice and neat, blends really well into the Tesla seat as well. I think it looks really good. For the bottom, there's really nothing to it. It just kind of sits right on there. There's no attachment points or anything like that. It just kind of sits right on your actual seat. And just kind of make it nice, look kind of neat. And there you go. That's about it. You got some nice cooling seat covers ready to go inside your Tesla. I'm going to hop over to the driver's side and do that side real quick. So in just a couple minutes, we actually have both seat covers all installed. I think they look really nice. They actually match the interior of my Tesla, kind of that dark material, really well. Let's test them out, see how comfortable they are, and just kind of talk about them for a minute. So sitting on these seat covers for the first time, I'm actually really impressed with how comfortable they are. I wasn't sure with that kind of gel and foam if they'd actually make a big difference, but it's really comfortable on your back, more than just the vegan Tesla leather seats. I really like how it fits. I got in here, nothing slid around on me or anything like that. I fit in here just fine. I can't really feel much texture on my bottom area, but definitely on my back. I can feel kind of the texture of those little foam ridges, those little rubber ridges in there, and they're quite comfortable. It gives you just a little bit of a kind of massaging effect, which I think is really cool. I can already feel some of like the coolingness of the seat. I don't know if that makes sense, but just having that little bit of ridge allows for some airflow to get kind of back down in there. I've had issues before on longer road trips where my back will start sweating, even in a climate controlled environment like the Tesla, the AC is blasted on me. My front's fine, but if I'm sitting here for a long time, my back can start to get sweaty, especially my lower back. And so this would alleviate all of that in those hotter climates when you got the sun blasting on you from the sunroof, the windshield. I think this would really make a big difference on those longer road trips. So, I might plan to take these and keep them in my frunk or in my trunk. If I actually need them, I'll pull them out and install them. It only took just a second to install them. So I think this is a really cool addition. I think it's something that could be useful for a lot of people. If you live in a hot climate, have a lot of hot seats, this could really make a difference too. especially if you leave your car parked for a while with your glass roof open, beating down on your hot seats. These black seats for sure can get really hot in the sun if your AC is not running and you don't precondition and things like that. So this can make a big difference getting into a car so you're not burning yourself as soon as you step into the car. So overall, my review, I think they're very comfortable. I think they work really well. Overall, I think it's a good product. As I mentioned in the unboxing, I got these seat covers from Tessery. Really great company. I've got a lot of their accessories and products before, and I highly recommend them. These seat covers come in a lot of different varieties and different colors, so you can get the package depending on what you want. There's a glacier gray, a sky blue, this carbon black, which I really like, and then like a baby pink. So if you're really going to kind of customize your Tesla based on your preferences, you can totally do it. They also make seat covers for not only the front seats, but for the rear seats as well. So if you have passengers, if you're an Uber driver, things like that, and you want to help kind of protect your seats and cool down your passengers, they make these exact same seat covers for the passenger, for the rear passenger seats as well. So find the kit you want. I'll have a link to all of that down in the description. Whenever you shop at Tessery, use my discount code, GAMBLE1080, or right here on the screen. Really helps out the channel, lets Tessery know that, hey, Gamble1080 sent me over here, and checking them out. So I appreciate all of you guys coming back to the video. If you're interested in anything else that I've done to accessorize my Tesla, check out my Amazon storefront. I'll leave a link to it in the description as well. It's right here on the screen. I have lots of cool accessories that I've got from Amazon for my Tesla over there. Some fun accessories like Tesla microphones, other cool stuff. So check that out too. But yeah, thanks guys for coming back and watching another quick video. I really like these cooling mats from Tessery. I think they're going to be a permanent addition to my Tesla whenever I need them. So I really appreciate you guys just supporting the channel. Feel free to like and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next video. Have a great day.